YouTube just screwed over every single one of its creators with one email. And to be honest, I'm still processing it, but we need to talk about it. So my Thursday started like every single Thursday morning. Both my wife and I woke up, we got our 3 boys ready for school, got them out the door, got ready for work, and I ended up at work at my desk. And actually in the middle of a meeting, I received an email that literally shook me to my core. That email said that a payment account was canceled. Let's just rewind a little bit. YouTube is this wonderful place where people can find answers to their questions, they can be entertained, they can create, or for some people like me, YouTube is also a business that you're trying to grow, and hopefully a growing business is making you money. And on YouTube, when people view my videos and see the ads, I have the potential to make money because I have a monetized channel that I've worked really hard to grow. And YouTube needs a way to pay me that money that I've made from those ads. And the way they've done it is through a program called Adsense. Google owns Adsense, Google owns YouTube. I received that email that said my payment account was canceled from Google AdSense. So I'm in the middle of this meeting and I see this notification pop up and I'm freaking out, and I want to find answers. So as soon as I can, I start searching, I start Googling, why was my AdSense payment account canceled? And I can only find 2 reasons out there. Number one, if you're inactive on YouTube for quite some time, they'll kind of just pause your AdSense account and you can reactivate it at any time. That's not me. I'm very, very active. The other reason is if you violate YouTube's terms of service, which I can't see a way in which I violated YouTube's terms of service. So I'm sitting here thinking, what on earth is going on? Finally, a glimmer of hope rears its head, and I find out that if AdSense is going to be canceled, or if YouTube is going to, shut down your channel or anything like that, you will see in that email a button where you can appeal that decision, essentially going back to YouTube saying, hey, I see that you've made a decision to cancel my AdSense account or my channel. I'm appealing that. I don't think that should happen. Let's talk about this. And you kind of go to like YouTube court. So I'm thinking, great. I go back to my email, I open it up. There is no link to appeal the decision. So I have no course of action. I simply have lost the ability to make money with my YouTube channel, and I have no idea what to do. 13 hours. 13 hours. It wasn't until 13 hours later that I finally found out what happened. I was sitting in this very spot when all of life's questions were answered. Here's what happened. Google, which owns AdSense and owns YouTube and gives me money when they put ads on my videos, they decided to make a change to the way in which AdSense works. Now, to be clear, if they would have never told me about this change, I would have never known about it. It was so minuscule, I would have never known. I was not affected at all. But in order for them to make this change, they had to close everyone's current account and basically create an identical one, same exact settings, same exact login, but they just had to make some changes that required them to close the current one and create a new one, thus sending out an email to everyone that an account that pays you, a payment account, has been canceled. Google, you need to do a better job of communicating clearly. Thanks for letting us all know, but could you maybe put some language in there next time about how we're all okay? Thanks. And you guys, there's more you need to learn about getting paid on YouTube, so you should watch this video.